Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace guys your headrest. On front seat or rear seat the procedure should be the same guys. We're going to cover everything from start to finish, how to remove and how to replace the headrest, and we're going to explain in some cases you might have wiring for being part of the airbag system, but this is not on all models, so make sure you stay until the end guys. Quick introduction: we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. We do guys all that because our mission is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work guys that we do here at the shop to provide these free videos. If you guys need any tools, parts, anything like that for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get a really good price, okay, fast shipping as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, okay, and we'll demonstrate on the driver's seat here. This is the driver's seat, but doesn't matter which one it is, the procedure is about the same. So what I'm going to do actually now, okay, we're going to get the camera in, okay, and this is the headrest that we'll be removing. I'm going to push the seat down a little bit so I can explain what is happening now. So the headrest guys, okay, is right there. So you try to press that thing, that's how you move it up and down, right? Check it out. Okay, this button right here, you press it and you move it up and then it stops. Okay, this is the button, correct? Right here. So that button guys, you keep pressing it, it doesn't come out. Now if you look on this side now, on the right side, okay, this one right there, there is a little bitty hole. Press it with a small screwdriver or something round, small, push it in, okay, and at the same time now, okay, push that button. And now guys, all you're going to do, let's come back a little bit so you can see the whole action. I'm going to lift up, and now guys, check it out. Okay, the whole headrest came out of there with no problem. So that's how you remove it. Now on some models you might have the active headrest guys. You have an airbag wire going through the headrest, so you cannot pull it out unless you disconnect it from the seat. How you guys do that? You actually have to take the seat apart on the back side. We have a video on the channel that explains how to do that. So once you guys remove it, putting it together, okay, pretty simple. Check it out now. You don't need to do anything. Just press it in, now press the button and push it down. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.